Greetings. I, Neil Shah from CyberSearch, will be taking the lead in presenting our work. Deceptive patterns, unfamiliar to many, lead users into harmful decisions. Companies exploit cognitive limitations for profit through unethical decisions. The taxonomy generally is as follows: comparison prevention. The user struggles to compare products between features and the prices because these are in the combined and complex manner or because essential information is hard to find. Second, confirm shaming. The user is emotionally manipulated into doing something that they would not otherwise have done. Third, disguised ads. The user mistakenly believes they are clicking on an interface element or native content, but it's actually a disguised advertisement. Fourth, fake scarcity. The user is pressured into completing an action because they are presented with a fake indication of limited supply or popularity. Fifth, fake social proof. The user is misled into believing a product is more popular or credible than it really is because they were shown fake reviews, testimo- testimonials, or activity messages. Sixth, fake urgency. The user is pressured into completing an action because they are presented with a fake time limitation. Seventh, forced action. The user wants to do something, but they are required to do something else, undesirable to in return. Eighth, hard to cancel. The user finds it easy to sign up or subscribe, but when they want to cancel, they find it very hard. Ninth, hidden costs. The user is enticed with a low advertisement price. After investing time and effort, they discover unexpected fees and charges when they reach the checkout. 10th, hidden subscription. The user is unknowingly enrolled in a recurring subscription or payment plan without clear disclosure or their explicit consent. 11th, nagging. The user tries to do something, but they are persistently interrupted by requests to do something else that they may not be in their best interest. 12th, obstruction. The user is faced with barriers or hurdles, making it hard for them to complete their task or access information. 13th, pre-selection. The user is presented with a default option that has already been selected for them in order to influence their decision making. 14th, sneaking. The user is drawn into a transaction on false pretenses because pertinent information is hidden or delayed from being presented to them. 15th, trick wording. The user is misled into taking an action due to the presentation of confusing or misleading language. And lastly, 16th, visual interference. The user expects to see information presented in a clear and predictable way on the page, but is hidden or obscured, rather disguised. And there are many companies in our hall of shame, like Facebook, Amazon, Google, LinkedIn, which uses it. To empower users, our team has built an extension which occupies minimal storage and is designed in a user friendly manner. Now, suppose a user is browsing a product on a website with our extension intact. When the user clicks on the detect button present on the extension interface, it identifies all the dark patterns present on the web page till it scrolls down. And when the user takes the cursor to the particular highlighted dark pattern, there's a drop down with a description of the dark pattern used to exploit the
Greetings,
user's
I am
trust.
Aditi Mohanty from Team CyberSearch. Today I will explain you the features of our extension which our extension provides. There are mainly three features which our extension provides. The first one, as explained by Neil, mentions it shows the dark patterns which are getting detected on a particular web page. It gets highlighted, and as we move the cursor along the highlighted text, the type of the dark pattern and the definition of that particular dark pattern is shown. The second feature of our extension is that when the user clicks on the highlighted text, The SMS is sent to the registered mobile number, which displays a disclaimer to the user and tells that the dark pattern is present in this particular website. All the text which contains the dark patterns in which the users can get trapped are being sent to the user with the help of an SMS. The third feature of our extension is the use of Gemini AI. We can use, there is another feature in our extension in which, where if we click on to know more about our pattern, so a interface is opened in which we can copy paste the URL of the particular website, for which we will have to check whether the particular dark pattern is present in that website or not. So when we click on classify dark patterns, the particular dark pattern is present on the website or not, it will be mentioned.
Hello, myself Pratik Dege. I will be showing you the extensions front end part. So we have to first download all the files which are present in our extension. So we will get an UI page like this here with our team name Cyber Search. So as we click here on the detect button, we will get the number of dark patterns included in the website, and it will be highlighted in the green part, and also the customer will receive an SMS on his registered mobile number of all the dark patterns which are present on the product page. So as we click on the detect button, all the highlighted part will come, and as we move the cursor on the highlighted part, it will give us the type of dark pattern which has been detected. So as given here in the example, we are getting scarcity pattern as the dark pattern present on this product page. So as stated by Aditi, the third feature of our extension is to check more about the dark patterns we are getting on the website. Here it is its web page. So we have to just simply copy paste here the link and click on the classified dark pattern. It will give us all the information about the dark pattern present on that page, and which is generated by the Gemini AI.
As told previously, we click on detect button. All the dark patterns detected on the web page will be sent to the user's SMS. Here it is its demo. We can see there is a continuation of dark patterns which are detected on the web page. Send it to the user via SMS. So as we check it, all the highlighted part of the product page has been sent to the user.
So my name is Shlok Rana, and I will be going into the technical details of our extension. This section dives deeper into the technical details of our dark pattern detection approach, exploring both Naive-Bayes algorithm and Gemini Provision large language model. Naive-Bayes algorithm. Naive-Bayes is a probabilistic classifier that calculates the probability of an element belonging to a specific dark pattern category. In simpler terms, it estimates the likelihood of an element being a dark pattern based on various features. The features include textual features, presence of urgency, timers. Example, only two left in stock, scarcity messaging, limited time offer, hidden fees, etc. etc. And also misleading product descriptions. Visual features, button color and placement size, and prominence of text, background imagery and conveying urgency or scarcity, and use of confusing layouts. Conditional independence. Naive Bayes makes a key assumption. The features are conditionally independent, meaning they are not influenced by each other, given the class dark pattern category. This assumption simplifies calculation, making it computationally efficient for large data sets. Second is the Gemini Provision LLM. Multimodal processing. Unlike traditional text-based approaches, Gemini Provision excels at processing multimodal data enabling it to analyze both visual elements, images, layouts, and textual content, product descriptions, labels, pop-up messages on a website. Textual analysis. It can analyze textual content for manipulative language, misleading product details, descriptions, and hidden fees often embedded within text. Abstract. The work processes a novel extension that leverages the strength of both Naive-based classification and Gemini Pro LLM to expose dark patterns on e-commerce website by combining efficient probabilistic classification with a powerful multimodal analysis. Our approach empowers users with a comprehensive tool for navigating online shopping with greater awareness and transparency. Thank you.